Small choices can make a big difference. And when it comes to your vehicle, how you choose to repair it can have a huge impact on the environment. When your car needs a replacement part, choosing a remanufactured product is more sustainable than buying new. Remanufacturing is an industrial process where used components are combined with new or reclaimed components. Remanufactured parts are the same quality as new products, and they give you peace of mind that your choice respects the environment and supports a flourishing industry across Europe. Parts that have been remanufactured have the same functionality and the same warranty as new parts, and they are vastly superior in CO2 savings. Annually, the release of over 800 kilotons of CO2 is avoided by remanufacturing car and commercial vehicle parts, which is equal to the annual emissions footprint of 120,000 European citizens. By reusing components, we reduce the extraction of new resources, which means your choice is supporting a circular economy and creating a brighter future for all. Europe is already the second largest market for remanufactured spare parts, supporting good quality jobs and providing affordable, more sustainable alternatives to buying new. And by choosing to return dismantled parts for remanufacturing, you can be a direct part of a more sustainable pathway and the circular economy. So next time you need a replacement vehicle part, make the sustainable choice. Buy remanufactured.